Welcome once again sa car review natin, Mr. Rambaw. Thank you nga pala sa Toyota Malolos, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call Golda Marie Agas on her mobile phone. This is the 2024 Toyota Race 1.2G CVT. 936K to Cebu City price ha. August promo is 29,000 based on 15% down payment. 48 months is 25,431.10 and 60 months is 21,484.69. Airbags is driver and front passenger. Brake is anti-lock brake system or ABS. Features is immobilizer, vehicle stability control, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, and hill start assist. Dito sa harap, dalawa ang grille, taas at baba. Gloss black dito, walang butas. Chrome Toyota logo. Sa baba, diamond type, matte, hexagon style grille, window type dito, matte. May protector sa ilalim. Headlights is split type LED with line guide, turn signal sequential LED. Sa baba, DRLs and fog lamps, halogen. Dito sa gilid, wheels is silver, tires is 205/65 R16 Bridgestone. Ang matte dito, dugtong sa side fender. Sa baba din, fender sa likod, hanggang dito. Chrome with VTI emblem sa side. Side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold. Keyless smart entry. Chrome doorknob. Matte door trim. Front suspension is McPherson strut. Rear is torsion beam. Front brake is ventilated disc. And rear is leading and trailing drum. Dito sa likod, shark fin antenna sa taas. Spoiler type, back end, integrated yung third brake light, LED. Back wiper. Dito sa likod, lumabas talaga yung tail lights. Dito, dugtong sa back tail garnish. Hanggang sa kabila. Chrome Toyota logo. Back camera with line guide. Chrome race. NG emblem. 2 back parking sensors. Fake vents design. Matte din dito. Taillights is LED. Sa baba is reflector. Buksan natin yung likod. Space sa likod. Ito, pulmo pang fold sa upuan. 60/40 ang hatian. Ito din sa kabila. Talian is 4. Lagayan ng tools. May light. Sa ilalim is spare tire. Door panels is gray with silver accent. Chrome doorknob. Tweeter speaker. Plastic. Chrome doorknob. Silver sa door handle. Power window button. Matte. Leather. Malagyan. 2 bottle holders. Speaker. Dito sa likod ng door panels is gray, wala ng silver accent, chrome pa rin ang doorknob. Plastic, chrome doorknob, matte, power window button, plastic na dito, bottle holder, speaker. May mga packets dito sa likod ng mga upuan. Dito, wala. Sa driver side na door panel is gray with silver accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic, tweeter speaker, silver door handle, chrome doorknob, side mirror adjust, auto fold, power window buttons, windows lock, leather, malagyan, 2 bottle holders, speaker. Steering wheel is tilt only, plastic, visor design sa dash, grove design dito, silver accent, chrome tip, retractable cup holder. Ito walang gamit pero maganda naman. Traction off, hood lever, gas tank lever, fabric seats, may red accent sa mga gilid, black, may design sa gitna, hanggang taas, 6-way manual adjust, view sa likod, 3-spoke steering wheel leather wrap with silver accent and audio controls. Dito is modes sa infotainment, power, and cellphone button. Dito naman is different dash menus, trip, voice command, and volume. Dash is 7 inches TFT digital. Infotainment is 8-inch display audio via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, and voice command. Digital auto climate control aircon, doom lights na papindot-pindot, sun visor with vanity mirror, and ticket clip sa driver side, sun visor with vanity mirror sa passenger side. Push start stop ignition switch, malagyan, USB port, 12-volt socket, auto tranny, may silver accent, chrome, chrome din, grove design, matte, may plus and minus na drive, silver, malagyan, manual handbrake, leather, stitching, may spring. Passenger na upuan is same fabric, 4-way manual adjust, plastic pero may pagka-soft, SRS airbag, silver accents air vents, chrome tip, retractable cup holder. Dito maganda tingnan, glove box. Ang engine niya is a 1.2 3-cylinder inline 12-valve dual overhead cam with dual VVDI gasoline engine. Max output is 88 PS, max torque is 113 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is CVT, fuel tank capacity is 36 liters. So that's it mga kasarambal. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. And paalam. And peace. Thank you.